Everybody, you know what time it is. Today guys, we got a special treat for you. We're doing something a little bit different. I've got a variety of different... They're here, they don't know what they're getting into. In today's challenge, I've created 5 different levels. They get increasingly harder and more disgusting.
Do you know what the last one is?
You don't know, none of them know.
You know what it is?
Oh, I know.
What is it?
This is something I'm even scared to have. But you must eat everything on your plate to proceed to the next level. Make it through all 5 levels to complete the challenge.
Level 1.
Quaid Lawler, 5'9", 180 out of Gastonia, North Carolina. All right. Wow,
Level
pretty
one.
easy. Level 1. I might actually eat this on the regular. Do I have to finish the whole thing? Or?
Yes, you have to eat everything on your plate.
All right. Honestly, that was great. I really enjoyed that.
What was that?
That was a pig in the blanket with mustard on.
Second segment, we got Teresa helping.
Weenies. Okay.
Level 1 out of 5.
Oh, mustard hits you hard. You can do level 1.
Okay.
Easy.
Introduce yourself, sir.
Tough really.
Not bad, right?
Nope.
Who's next? Who's next?
I'll go next. I'm Ashby Dickerson. I'm 20 years old and I'm most excited to see if I can get through all of the rounds.
Yummy.
All right. Oh, good.
Really? Your face isn't very convincing.
I'm ready. Ready? Cheers.
Have fun.
You're doing it with me. Okay. That's a great idea.
And I'm done.
Hey, let's go.
Happy to participate.
Oh, you're out.
You're out already?
Eliminated. Level 2.
Okay, wow, kicking things up. Wow, we're going strong. Mustard on a pickle. All right. Oh my God. It's so salty.
Mustard on pickle is actually my favorite food I've tried with mustard on it.
That's a lot of
Level
sodium.
2.
Drake, I don't know about that.
I love pickles.
Pickles are good.
I can't eat the whole thing though.
Okay, you gotta eat one more bite.
Okay.
What do you think? 1 out of 10.
It's honestly, it brings out the pickle flavor.
It's really good.
Sounds like a 10 to me.
Pickle?
Easy. Level 2.
That's pretty good.
I know.
I love pickles.
Yeah?
You love pickles with mustard? Oh, you don't?
Cheers. Oh, Jesus Christ. That's good, dude.
Super good.
You did a good job cooking this.
Alright. This wasn't too bad.
New favorite
not bad.
snack? Yeah.
I thought you said you hated pickles.
I'm becoming to love them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just put a lot of mustard on it.
You've changed your mind, Trey.
Let's go.
I might just eat half of it. Ready? I don't really want to eat all this.
It's good, isn't it? Some people might say.
It's not bad.
It's another hit.
How you feeling mentally going into the 3rd round? Strong?
Cole's got it all wrong.
Trying.
I know.
Level 3.
All right, number 3. What?
You got spoons here.
Let me see.
Oh my God.
What is this?
Oh my God. Mustard ice cream.
Mmm.
I might as well just.
You got it.
Yeah.
You know, actually, you
can drop
can't
out at
taste.
this time.
Oh, there it is. I was gonna say you can't taste too much mustard, but
I can't eat the whole thing.
You gotta eat the mustard part.
Yeah, I'm eating the mustard. See, do you see the mustard incorporation in this?
see, the next one is gonna be the one that gets.
This might be the one I tap out in.
Yeah, you can. If you want to.
Let's try this. Cheers, my friends. Wow. Wow.
Favorite so far for sure, right?
Oh yeah. Oh God.
Okay, she's going for it. She's gonna survive to the next one.
I'm not even eating it, and I'm like,
I'm like snot coming out of my nose. My body's shutting down from all this mustard intake.
shutting down. What do you mean?
I'm like getting the mustard shakes.
You should be having a high right now from what you're eating.
No cramps. Next 5 days.
No, what is that?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Sandra's
I thought that was like.
Eliminated.
Have fun, guys. Level 3 gets a little more tough.
Dude, this guy's a champion.
Going for it right there.
Yeah, I got a paper to write. Is that fun?
That's pretty good.
I got a fork, so
Oh.
alright. Just keep it pushing.
How is it?
Level 4, dude.
How was it? Not bad.
Awesome.
You're gonna enjoy that one.
What's been your favorite so far?
Speaking of blanket,
Okay.
Yeah, for sure. The classic.
I think this next one's really gonna be your favorite.
Level 4.
Let's do it.
He might drop out.
Let me get that one.
what is that? What is
This, my friends, is Doritos and Mountain Dew with mustard.
Wow.
Yeah, this might be the one that.
Just for you.
This might be the one that does it.
Oh my god, Trek. Oh, it's soggy.
Yep.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What is this? What the? How the freak do you eat this?
You don't, but you will.
You don't
Okay.
have to. You don't have to.
Okay, I can't eat all of this. I'll eat this much.
Oh my goodness. Does that even count? It's like a half complete.
I can't believe I'm eating this.
You don't have to.
Oh, the Mountain Dew part's bad.
It's really good.
Really, I thought it'd be good.
It's been just sitting in there like it's all.
Soggy.
Oh, he's eating the whole thing. Obviously,
Yeah, come on.
you could make history right now. Ish.
Or you can tap out.
So everyone's gotten through this round.
Oh yeah. This round's the easy round for most people. Obviously,
I have to do it.
Most people eat this like regularly.
most people said, "Trek, you brought my favorite snack."
Yeah. This is cereal for them.
This is the worst.
It's so bad.
Spoke too soon.
Just contemplating her life.
Oh my god.
bad.
The way the mustard just kind of ferments in that Mountain Dew, just
Oh yeah. Give some extra texture.
You don't need to describe it. Oh, whoa.
oh.
It was nasty.
So good.
That's what I like to hear.
So do I have to drink the juice?
No. But you gotta eat that bite right there.
But you can.
You can for a bonus.
For a bonus?
That's the real
I will say that'll put you at first place.
Alright, sip. No, I could probably do the whole thing. Let's do it.
Go ahead.
Alright.
She's solidifying that
I
first
need to
place.
like breathe out and then like. Alright.
You got this. Oh man.
Oh.
God, that's what they're right there.
I think I might be out.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I ate that.
Yeah, you can tap out. If you want to tap
I'm
out.
good. Thank you, Trek.
Eliminated.
Third is ice cream.
What's fourth?
Fourth is Doritos and Mountain Dew with mustard.
Both look at it though.
I like soda.
Oh man.
Normal.
Wait, did he
Wait, what?
did he drink it all?
No, just put it down.
Oh my god. He drank it all.
Dude, I didn't even get it.
You said everything in the bowl.
We'll tell him at the end.
Yeah, that was the bonus round right there.
Okay. Well,
He just destroyed it.
So if I drink this, I get the bonus round?
Yes.
Well-
And you can't tie with Cole for first place if you finish 5. And don't take any water breaks throughout.
I think she already took 5 weeks.
Okay, she'll come in second place.
Yeah. Oh my god. Yo, nice job. Nice job.
Oh my god. What's been your experience so far going into the 5th round? How are you feeling mentally?
Mentally, I'm like destroyed.
Level 5.
Oh god.
What the? What is that?
It's a sardine. Sardine with mustard.
Oh my god.
Ew. Oh, I do not want to do that.
What are we thinking?
Dude,
He made it though. He made it.
Dude.
Victory. Let's go.
I've never eaten a sardine before.
Now it's the perfect time, Teresa.
Say I'm 4 out of 5. I'm not gonna risk it. I mean, I would
sounds
do it,
good.
but if there's like a substitute, I'm more than happy to do it.
We don't got it. All right.
You made it as far as you could, Fraley.
Eliminated.
Good amount on that time to beat. Yeah, sure.
I need some water.
There's some water right there.
Okay, well, oh my god, the aftertaste.
Oh, she's about to.
Don't do it.
Okay, I might be able to do this.
It's not bad.
It's not.
Is it worse than the Doritos?
She's chowing. No, it's not worth. Delicious.
Amy seems to like sardines.
This is good. Ooh, one bite.
Wait, all of it? One bite?
Oh, I can smell it.
What is this?
Wait, pickle with sardine? Dude, what?
His hands are trembling.
Oh my god. Hey.
Here's here. They all did amazing. They went through all 5 challenges. Tune in next time for our next edition of Mustard Taste Testing.